Good morning, guys. You guys, let's go to phone. Which could be anything for question, anything. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. It's been a while since I had the morning shift done, so I'm just heading to work. So talk to you guys when I'm done. Guys, what's up, you guys? So right now, you guys, we are cutting the grass. So that is what's going on. We are cutting the grass, so it's gonna be fun and exciting. I'm doing some landscaping, the company, so that's what's going on. You guys doing some landscaping. I'm just going to pick up Rachel at the early onset of, so that's what's going on. So it's gonna be fun and exciting, relaxing. So that is what's going on. So we'll talk to you guys when we are there. Chicken, and we have potatoes and broccoli. Say broccoli, Grace.
Broccoli.
So I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Please do give it a big thumbs up. Good morning, guys. Let's say to the what's up, guys. Let's go look forward. We have to questions and anything. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work.